Hey Tech fan, what's up? BTM here. And in this video, we're going to see if the hype is real. Because I finally got my hands on the king of all smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, remember that feeling of unboxing a gift as a kid? That's the energy I'm feeling right now. This box screams sophistication, sleekness, and maybe a hint of "don't drop me, bro." But before we crack it open, let's take a moment to appreciate the minimalistic beauty of this packaging. No unnecessary plastic here. Just clean lines and that iconic Samsung logo. Okay, enough teasing. Let's get this party started. This phone feels like a piece of polished obsidian in my hands. The new matte finish, immaculate. The weight, just enough to feel substantial without weighing me down like a brick. And check out these edges. Sharper than my wit after a triple espresso. The first thing that hits me is the display. It's like gazing into a portal to another dimension. A dimension where pixels don't exist and images float in thin air. The colors are richer than a billionaire's credit card, and the brightness could put the sun to shame. And the flat screen, yes, I said it, flat screen. Thank you, Samsung, for finally listening to your people. No more accidental palm touches for this reviewer. Now, speaking of touches, the S Pen is nestled into its little silo on the bottom, smooth as butter, precise as a brain surgeon, and with more tricks up its sleeve than a magician's rabbit. Quick note, done. Doodle masterpieces, no problem. Edit photos like a pro. A phone is not just about looks and fancy pens, right? Let's fire this baby up. Oh, that boot animation. A kaleidoscope of futuristic tech that just screams, I mean business. And speaking of business, the new One UI 6.1 feels faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. Animation smoother than a freshly paved highway. I can't hold back any longer. Those cameras, glorious lenses staring back at me, promising moonlit selfies and zoom capability that could make a paparazzi jealous. I'm talking, but I'm just getting started, tech fam. This is just the first sip of the S24 Ultra Kool-Aid. Over the next few days, I will be putting this phone through its paces. Gaming, multitasking, battery life tests, the whole shebang. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to ride the hype wave with me. This is going to be epic. Now, remember to leave your questions and burning desires in the comments below. And let's get this S24 Ultra conversation started. Until next time, remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out. Now, if you like this video, you might like that one up there somewhere.